Welcome back to the VIEZU Workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Jaguar F-TYPE that's come to us for a whole host of upgrades, including top pulley, charge cooler, remap and dyno. But before we get into any of the upgrades or testing, we're going to find out exactly what it's running now. After that first run, we can see this F-TYPE is running 571 brake horsepower and 745 Newton meters of torque, but our team here can definitely do better than that. So it's time to find out how much our technicians and our technical team can do to extract even more performance from this Jag. First, our team need to read the ECU file from this F-TYPE, so our file writers upstairs can really get stuck in to writing a brand new map.
With the modifications made to this vehicle, it's important when we look at the software, we don't just try and unlock the extra air quantity from the supercharger modifications with the pulleys, we optimise that AFR and that spark advance to make sure we get the best potential combustion from all this wonderful extra air that we're getting into the engine. Unlocking our sort of true potential by increasing the speed limits on the vehicle and making sure we're getting that fine balance between the extra fueling to keep the engine nice and cool, which we can take advantage of the uprated charge cooler on this to make sure our temps are nice and low, giving us that optimal burn for longer, and making sure we've got enough spark advance in there to go with that extra air that's coming through from the pulley modifications to get as much sort of bang for our buck as possible from the software. So taking that in mind, we want to hit our nice target AFR, sort of mid 12s on the AFR, making sure it's nice and smooth and linear throughout the power run, and making sure we have no adverse effects from our ignition timing maps. So making sure they've got the nice increase in timing, so we've got a good early start to the combustion, making sure that flame front can move nicely across the cylinder, giving us an even, smooth combustion, nice sort of optimization and efficiency, making use of that fuel that's in there, but without getting anything too hot, making sure it's nice and reliable and the longevity is there for the vehicle.
While our file writers are hard at work, our technicians are getting stuck into replacing the upper pulley and the charge cooler. So all the upgrades have been completed and the new file has been written to the ECU. It's time to get this strapped back down to our dyno to find out what all those upgrades have added up to. So this F-TYPE is now running 655 brake horsepower and 837 Newton meters of torque, a truly ferocious beast. And if you want the same treatment for your Jag, then give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.